Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted playlists on Spotify. First guys, launch the application and then go on the first section with your library section and then go for the playlist option, and you need to choose a playlist that you wanna go and delete it, and then you're gonna go and recover it. The same thing. For example, this one, go on the three dots and go for here. As you can see, this is not a playlist that you could get it. Now this will go with adding a playlist, for example this one with one song, for example, or with these songs. Get back. Now as you created this playlist, just go and delete it, delete playlist. And what you need to do, just simply go to your browser and type for Spotify. After you get through Spotify website, go on the three dots icon and on your right upper side and then select the desktop side. Right after that, you need to go on your right upper side again on the three dots, go for account. Then you'll need to choose here. As you can see, you have option that says recover playlist. Click on that. Now if you zoom in here, you're gonna see the all playlists that you have deleted, and if you want to restore them, you need just to go on restore and go also, for example, on this restore, and now you're gonna just take a refresh, and as you can see, these has been restored. Now get back to your Spotify, and here if you take a refresh, as you can see, they have been restored to your Spotify again. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.